If your Yahoo email account has been hacked and you don't have access to your recovery email, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Yahoo sign-in helper. Before starting recovery, use the srec.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Enter your Yahoo ID. Input your Yahoo email address or mobile phone number associated with your account. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Step 3. Choose recovery options. Since you don't have access to your recovery email, select the option to receive a verification code via your registered mobile number, if available. If you don't have access to any recovery options, click on I don't have access to this email to explore other recovery methods. Step 4. Enter security questions. If prompted, answer any security questions you set up when creating your account. Providing correct answers can help verify your identity and regain access. Step 5. Follow additional instructions. Once you've verified your identity through the methods available, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password and secure your account. Make sure to update your recovery options to prevent future issues. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your hacked Yahoo Mail account even without access to your recovery email. Remember to take preventive measures to secure your account in the future.